Now I really feel that if I could have something like Chandigarh University is offering, मैं आज इससे भी ज़्यादा better काम करता. They are extremely, futuristic. And they've also termed as an AI university, which is fairly right. I'm sure they are going to be the next Dr. Kalams. They're going to be the next C.V. Ramans. They're going to be the next game changers.
Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh proudly presents Next Gen Connect, welcoming the visionary who transformed India's skies, Mr. Milind Raj, the drone man of India. So, very welcome to Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh.
Thank you.
So, robots are the most fascinating technology ever built by humans. What are your views on this?
Definitely yes. I mean, nowadays humans are so much dependent on robots, and that too in a positive way. You see, robots are not just only about drones. You see in the hospitals, you see in the life care systems, in rescue robotics, in defense, in agriculture, everywhere there are robots, be it form of drones, ground robots, water robots, and ये एक बहुत integrated system बन गया है with technology. And I'm very happy to see how students are encouraging themselves to push themselves beyond the limits and वो stereotype चीज़ों से बाहर आके about tech science सीखना उनका जी.
So, what impressed you most about the vision and learning environment here at Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh?
Well, if I would have been during my college days, now I really feel that if I could have something like Chandigarh University is offering, मैं आज इससे भी ज़्यादा better काम करता. I would have been really at a better place. I mean, serving more and more people, because जिस तरह का environment यहाँ पे मिलता है, I see how holistic their approach is. They are extremely, futuristic. And they've also termed as an AI university, which is fairly right. I mean, because ये AI पे and technology पे upcoming systems, जितनी भी modern world की technologies हैं, वो students को किस तरह से उनको, curate कराते हैं. It's very finely driven university. It's something which is not of those stereotypes जहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक I would say blunt system बनता है. Blunt in the sense students are not sharp. So, but here each and every student of every semester I am meeting, they have a different kind of persona. They have a different kind of personality. They radiate that energy, that confidence in their everything they're doing, they're learning. So it's a very good experience here. And when I see such kind of environment, such kind of students around me, I get really happy, because that's the future of our country. So I see a very bright future, and I wish all the students here a very best of their life. And I'm sure they are going to be the next Dr. Kalams. They are going to be the next C.V. Ramans. They are going to be the next game changers, and so our country is very happy to have them here. Yeah.
Sir, as you have mentioned the name of our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I would love to tell my audience that Sir is also popularly known as the drone man of India, the name given by our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir, what was the story behind that?
So it was way back in 2013, 2014. So we used to work on drone technologies a lot. And back then, drones तो अभी आपने काफ़ी ज़्यादा, स्पेशली ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद से इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस देखी होगी. लाइक 4-5 ईयर्स अभी मान लेते हैं, ओपी सिंदूर के बाद से तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. बट वे बैक देन, मे बी 10-11 ईयर्स पहले, डॉक्टर कलाम यूज्ड टू से दैट दिस इज अ मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर आवर डिफेंस स्ट्रक्चर. एंड वी यूज्ड टू वर्क सो हार्ड विद डॉक्टर कलाम. आई मीन, हमने तो उनको एक वेलकम भी किया था विद वन ऑफ द इंडिजीनियस ड्रोन्स, एंड उस पर वेलकम डॉक्टर कलाम लिख के एक बड़ा सा एक ट्राई कलर था, उस पर लिखा हुआ था. एंड डॉक्टर कलाम वाज सो हैप्पी टू सी दिस टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस एफर्ट्स, that he then said that the missile man is now awarding the title as a drone man. So I was like, that's like the day of my life which I'll never forget, and it still feels like it was just yesterday. So I mean, it's been around a decade, but it never feels like. I still feel the warmth of his handshake during that day. So because of the efforts in this technology, because of the contribution to build a better society, and a lot more elements and lot more good things done together for a positive purpose, I was recognized with this title by none other but 11th President of India. The missile man himself said this to me, so it really means a lot to me, and forever it will be a precious thing for me.
So, Raj, Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh is India's first private AI augmented university. So, as a tech expert, what would you say why and how technology is bringing a new change in every student's life?
So, like you just mentioned about AI, so AI is not going to replace humans. It's going to give them the ability and empower them to work even better. So Chandigarh University is a hub, is a platform where each student, every individual is given that the boost of encouragement, energy, and ability to work even further ahead, just break the fences, break the boundaries, and step into the real world, in the modern world, and become future ready. So that's my call about this, and very happy with CU University, the Chandigarh University.
So what would you say how Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh is contributing in India's growing drone ecosystem?
India is going to be one of the world's largest drone technology hub in the world. And as we see, from defense to agriculture to logistics in the sense that drones that could carry parcels in the sky. And also now we are heading towards air taxis, air ambulances. So drone is playing a very important role in every sector, in every domain. So like recently our Honorable Prime Minister, he also has the vision of a Namo drone, that Namo Didi. So the Namo Didi mission is about empowering the women, in this drone sector technology, and how now farmers are taking a huge benefit of this drone technology. So India needs universities like Chandigarh University, and specifically talking about Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow. That ecosystem, like just today, we had a session specifically on drone technology, and a number of students participated. A huge amount of students were there. So these kind of sessions, these kind of mixed orientations and practical exposures enables the student to step into this domain, to get the courage to build something different, to think out of the box, to step out of the stereotype environment. So that is a very important role which Chandigarh University is playing, and with this is going to be a master stroke for India to make a very strong hold on the domain of this drone sector, and probably become ahead of China.
So what message would you like to give to our students of Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, who would love to work with cutting-edge technologies?
So my one message to all the students of Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, here in Lucknow, is that I already find them like super curious. They see, curiosity is like a wick of a candle, and at CU, at Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, the university takes a good care that the candle is always lit, and it's always shining, and it's illuminating their future. It's illuminating our country's future. So my only message is that they should keep going.
Right.
They should keep going. They should never give up. There might be chances, there might be phases in life when you feel like giving up. But remember, that is the only phase when you're about to get the victory. So with this message, I would like to again say that with the positive spirit, think for the constructive side of technology, not for the destructive side. And the future is there. The sky is your property, I would say. And especially the institute, the university like Chandigarh University, they promote so good to every student, and I'm very impressed to see this. Yes, that's my message.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Really nice meeting you and having you here. Thank you for inspiring us to dream higher and aim for the skies.